What do you think, guys? Is it soft?
Yeah. That's what my little teddy's running.
Oh. Do you like the carpet, Aiden? Is it soft? You just like having somewhere to run around, huh?
Yeah.
Is it nice, Aiden? Yeah, he thinks it's nice too. Look at Jenny. Rolling all around. How come you got your socks off, Jen?
Because one of my toes used to be on the carpet too.
Why? Do you think you can do a tumble in here?
What?
Think you can do a tumble in here on the soft carpet?
I think so.
No, I would back up. How about you back up and start by the wall? Then you'll have plenty of room. Go ahead. Okay, ready? Watch out, Aiden. Oh, you hit Aiden.
That's right. Ouch. Oh, ouch, I got my foot. Look under there. And I hit the part when I pulled it out.
No. Okay, try it again. This time not on your brother.
Okay. Here. One. Come
What
on.
are you doing?
I'm in a play area.
Okay.
Where?
Okay.
Here I go.
Watch out, little brother. Okay, go. Yay! Good job. Take a bow. I take it you guys like it, huh? Okay, let's see what the difference is between the new, why is there a tiara on the door?
Oh.
And the old. Oh, look at that. There's a huge difference, huh?
Yeah. Thanks.
Puffy and squishy, hard and yucky.